In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an exchange on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to process an exchange for a customer from start to finish inside your Shopify admin. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify store and you're on the main dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see an overview of your store's performance. But for exchanges, we'll be working specifically from the Orders section. From the left-hand menu, click on Orders. This is where every customer order is stored. You can use the search bar or filters to quickly find the specific order you want to work with. Once you've located the order that needs an exchange, click on it to open the order details page. On the order page, look for the option labeled Return and click on it. In Shopify, exchanges are handled through the returns flow, so this is where the process begins. You'll now see a section for exchange items. Inside this exchange items area, click on Add Products. This is where you select what the customer will receive in place of the original items. A list of your products will appear. Find and click on the product you'd like to use for the exchange, making sure the variant, such as size or color, is correct for what the customer wants. After selecting it, click Add to confirm it as part of the exchange. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can add the tracking details for the return shipment. In the tracking number field, type in the tracking number associated with the customer's return package. Accurate tracking information helps you and your customer monitor the status of the return. Right next to the tracking number field, there's a drop-down where you can choose the shipping carrier. Click into that field, and from the list of carriers, select the correct one. In this example, we'll select Amazon as the carrier. Now, make sure the correct return items are selected to be exchanged. This usually means checking the boxes next to the products the customer is sending back. Once you've confirmed everything looks right, click on Create Return. This officially records the return and ties it to the exchange you're setting up. Finally, once the return is created, you'll see options to fulfill the exchange. Click on Send Gift Card, or select whatever your chosen exchange product or method is for that order. That's it. Your exchange has been processed in Shopify,